How's it going, guys? Today we are doing a quick video of Leetcode for 14 question third maximum number. Given a non-empty array of integers, return the third maximum number in this array. If it does not exist, return the maximum number. The time complexity must be O of n. The example here, the third maximum is 1. The third maximum, there are not even 3 numbers in the list. So if the third maximum number does not exist, return the maximum number. So here we're returning 2. In this example, the third maximum is 1. Note that the third maximum here means the third maximum distinct number. Okay, so you can think if the input array is 2, 2, 1, the output should be 2, because we are here talking only about distinct numbers. So first of all, we have to handle the corner case. The corner case is if there are not 3 distinct numbers, we should return the maximum number. So let's do that first. So if, first of all, we're talking about distinct numbers here. So let's put the nums in, we put the nums into set so that we can only talking about distinct number here, and then convert the set into a list and assign it to the nums. And if length of nums is smaller than 3, then we just return the maximums of the numbers right here. So this is the case right here. And else, so if there are more than 3 distinct numbers, we should return the third maximum number. So the most important thing is that the time complexity should be O of n. So the trick for this question is that to know that this operation actually cost a time complexity of O of n already.